atom. Mm. You are within me.
You are infinite. You define me, my potential and sight.
You are the wings.
You the me, my God. You define me, my potential and sight.
Today I pledge.
I bless it all my might. I realize you my potential and sight.
Yes, very good. Good morning, everyone. Yes, very good morning, children. Very good morning, parents. I request you to take a snap of their costume and send it in group. Okay? Okay, let's start our attendance, children. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Sattama. Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav. 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 Very good, Keshav. Radhyarni. Radhyarni. Absent. Okay. Rudvin. Rudvin. Very good, Rudvin. Yes, good, Rudvin. Sarah.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Okay. Ananya.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirni.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Mahili. Mitra. Mitra. Guys, absent today. Taruneshwar.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Varsha. Varsha. She'll join later. Vihan.
Here,
Vihan. Vihan.
ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you, children. Children, do you all know what we are going to celebrate today? What day we are going to celebrate? Yes, Children's Day. Why? Because Children's Day we had lot of rain. Yes, and the school was also not there. We had holiday on that time, so we are going to celebrate Children's Day today. Okay. So, what do you know about Children's Day? Do you all know anything about Children's Day? Anyone knows? Why do we celebrate Children's Day? Why do we celebrate Children's Day? Yes? Huh?
The Nehru birthday.
Very good. It's Nehru's birthday. That's what we celebrate. Yeah, that's why we celebrate Children's Day. Okay, so happy Children's Day to everyone. Yes, happy Children's Day to everyone. Okay, you know why we celebrate Children's Day? On behalf of Nehru's birthday, because he was fond of children and he fought for children's education also, and he believed that children are the future of tomorrow's nation. Okay, so he was very fond of children. See here. Yes, he loves children a lot. So to pay a tribute for that, we celebrate his birthday every year, November 14th as Children's Day. Okay, that's why we celebrate Children's Day. And once again, happy Children's Day to everyone. Now let's move on to our prop talk.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, thanks. Welcome, children. Now we are going to move on to our prop talk. Okay, before that, all the best to everyone. Take your own time, speak slowly and clearly. Okay,
மேம்
first
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
I'm going to
ரீசா
call.
சார் ரீசா சார் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லட்டுமா ஏன்னா நான் கொஞ்சம் வெளியில போறேன் நானு, அதனால
Oh,
சரி
okay. Yes.
present பண்ணு.
First Visha Sai will finish. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on, Visha Sai.
Okay, presentation.
Yeah, come on, ma.
மேம் ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியுதா?
1 minute. Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, friends. I am Misha Sai. I'm going to talk about
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa.
She was born in
She was born in
1910.
1910.
Mother Teresa is a
Mother Teresa is a
Christian.
Christian.
Mother Teresa was
Mother Teresa was
nun in
running
Catholic Church.
Catholic Church.
She came to India.
Natama.
She came to
India to
study
study
and become
and become
a teacher.
teacher.
Mother Teresa
Mother Teresa
spent her
spent
entire life.
her life
சத்தமா சொல்லு. Entire life
in
in
poor people,
serving the poor people. Mother Teresa won the Nobel Prize, Padma Shri and Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa died on 1997.
Thank you.
Yes. Children, clap hands for Visha. Thank you, Visha. She spoke about Mother Teresa. Thank you so much, Visha. Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, next I'm going to call Hazel. Hazel.
Ma'am, can you let us know the order, ma'am, something so that we will be ready?
Like attendance order only we are going to go.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Hazel.
Hazel, start.
Hmm. Hazel, I can't hear you, Hazel.
Check it. Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Ah. Loudly, speak loudly, okay?
Start.
No,
Not able to hear,
can't
ma'am.
hear. Yeah, we are not able to hear. Stand
Okay, give me
closer
1
and
minute.
speak, ma.
Come closer. Come here. Stand here. Ma'am, give us 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. I can hear your voice. Only Hazel's voice I'm not able to hear.
Be louder, Hazel. Come on. This. Give it. Be louder, okay? Start.
Louder, Hazel. Even more louder.
थोड़ा आगे है, यहाँ पे वेट यहाँ पे यहाँ आगे
Ah,
वेट
ah. Louder, ah. Achucho.
Not able to hear.
Hazel. No, Hazel's voice is not audible at all. Can everyone hear, or else I'm only not able to hear?
No.
You can't
No.
hear, right? Yeah.
Ma'am, you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't hear Hazel. I don't know why. If you have a headset, give it to her. Check
Okay,
whether you
ma'am.
have switched on the mic.
Okay.
Say hello, Hazel.
Say hello. Say hello. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now I can hear.
Okay, you stand here. It's better. Stand here and say.
Yeah, I can see your face. Now speak. Come on.
Good morning.
Speak
Louder.
loudly.
Hmm.
Good morning, everyone. Okay. I'm planning to do the dance. What the? Yeah. Dad ko sila wala ka pa. Dad ko sila like. I call him Tata. Tata Tiban on. Put it up about 1899. He but a race with us. Chillande to be succeed live. What in education?
Fast forward only always, huh? You'll never speak slowly. Very nice, Hazel. But little bit in the beginning, I was not able to hear. But rest of the thing I heard. Okay.
Okay,
Neru's
ma'am.
birthday and all, Chacha Neru, everything I heard. Very good. Thank you so much, Hazel. Well done. Clap
Thank you,
hands
ma'am.
for Hazel, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clap hands for Hazel. Then only they will clap for you, right? Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. Dashwan Velan, are you ready? Hmm. Yes, Dashwan Velan. Huh? I can't hear you, Dashwan. Come closer and talk. Ah. First, say good morning. Hmm.
I'm Georgia. I'm Brahmshaw. And fight my country. Thank you.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ma Dashwan. Sorry, I muted myself in order to hear your speech. Thank you, Dashwan. Next, children. Next is Jason.
Able to see, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm able to see. Calculator. Wow. Very nice. Good.
Hello.
Sattama.
Hello, I am calculator. I can do addition.
Sattama.
Addition.
Give us one.
Subtraction. Multiplication. And division. No, 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4 plus 1 is 5. And we got 2 5 make 10. What's it? 110. I can see 10 times 0. 10 is 10.
Sattama.
110 is 10. 2 10 is 20. 3 10 is 30. 4 10 is 40. 5 10 is 50. 6 10 is 50. 7 10 is 70. 8 10 is 80. 9 10 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. That is it. Easy. Calculator. Thank you.
Ah, very nice. Who taught you this table, ma? Very nice, and your calculator is also awesome. Thank you so much, Jason's mom. Children, clap hands for Jason. Very nice, super, Jason. Good boy. Well, then we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything in calculate using calculator. Your parents will use calculator, right, children? See the calculator, how it is. Yes, mini calculator. Jason is a mini calculator. Very nice, Jason. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. Okay, next is Kavi Kartika. Parents, please take a snap along with your children with the costume and send it in group. Don't forget that, okay? Next is Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Yes, speak loudly. Loudly. சத்தமா சொல்லணும், okay?
I will take it in my. I want to color. Let's get out me. Let's get up. Let's get a bake. Go. Let's go. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Well done. Traffic signal. Thank you, Makavi Kartika. Okay. Next is Keshav. Keshav. Keshav is going to talk about water drops.
Good morning, man.
Yeah, good morning, Keshav.
Man, today I talk about cheap water. I am cooling down. I am cooling down. Where is my bucket? Do you know who I am? I am a water dog. Water is the source of life. Without water, you cannot survive. It has no colors, no mess. We are thirsty, out of water. We need water for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, etc. We should fix all the water exist. We should not pollute the rivers. Water is God's gift to us, and we should not waste it. Save water, save water. Save life. Please save me. Thank you.
Very nice, Keshav. Children, clap hands for Keshav. You know what he spoke about? He spoke about water, that you should not waste water. Water is a precious gift of nature. So we should never waste water. Water waste பண்ணவே கூடாது. Do not always open the tap and you should not waste water. How much water you need? Take it in a bucket or in a mug, use it. Okay? Don't just open the tap and waste water. Okay, and then water is used for cooking, washing, cleaning, drinking, bathing, everything. So water is a main resource. So please don't waste water. That was the thing told by Keshav. Thank you, Keshav, for your information. It was very nice. Thank you, Keshav's mom. Okay, next is Mahirini.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Keshav. Mahirini. Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm
What?
not arguing.
Why you are doing like this? Ah,
Good
you are
morning,
astronaut, right? Where is your helmet?
astronaut arguing.
Ah, you are astronaut, Mahirini. Yeah? Okay, fine. Ah. Hmm.
Astronauts are actually plane. We travel in space.
Hmm.
Neil Armstrong is the first astronaut to on the moon.
Hmm.
I'm going to sing a line. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon with blue face. To all the people say goodbye. And to all the astronauts in the rocket high. Thank you.
Thank you. You used my rhyme to say to for this prop talk, huh? Huh? Very nautical. Children clap hands for Mahirini. Good. But there was no helmet for you. That was only missing. Okay, but it was nice. Very nice.
She's having actually.
Ah, then wear it. Ayo, why don't you wear it, ma? It is very nice. Why don't you wear it? Okay, take a snap of her with that head cap itself. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Mahirini's parents, and thank you, Mahirini. Next is Rudvin. Rudvin.
And
Rudvin.
சொல்லு மியூசிக் சொல்லு.
Ah, I'm watching you, Rudvin. Come on.
சரி. குட்
Rudvin, ma'am,
மார்னிங்.
பாருங்க. கொஞ்ச நேரம் தான். Okay. Hold it properly. That's all.
சரி சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லு.
You can hold it, Rudvin's mom. Let him speak.
சொல்லு. குட் மார்னிங்.
Louder, ma, Rudvin. சத்தமா பேசுங்க.
சத்தமா சொல்லு. சொல்லு. I am a tree. சத்தமா சொல்லுமே. சரி சொல்லு.
Okay, fine.
You. Fruits. And vegetables. I. You. Please. Save. Trees. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Very good. Please save trees because please give us rain. Okay. So please save trees. That was the thing that was told by Rudvin. Thank you, Rudvin. Thank you, Rudvin's mom. Okay, next is Sarah. Sarah.
Sarah.
Hello everyone.
आवाज से बोलना सारा.
Hello everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm a little angel. This is my microphone. This is my room. I'm the fly. Hi. Check the face. I'm the messenger of God. I'll draw children.
They give the kids.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, it was so cute. You are also looking very pretty in this dress. बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो इस ड्रेस में. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah's mom.
Thank you.
Very good. Children, clap hands for Sarah. All of you clap hands for Sarah. Very good. Thank you, Sarah. Next is Ananya. Ananya. Next, Tarunesh should be ready, ma. Okay? 1 minute.
Hi friends, I am chef. I am Sriya. I am cooking. I cut vegetables. I cut the vegetables. And cut. I make yummy food. Yummy food. This is my dress. This is my dress. This is my apron. This is my cap. Welcome to Liam Kitchen. Thank you. Thank you.
That's all. Huh? What are you having near you? What is that near you?
This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen.
Oh, Oh, you will cook with that, huh?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Very good, Ananya. Good. Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Ananya's mom. Children, clap hands for Ananya. Chef Ananya.
Thank you,
Very good. Welcome, Ananya. Next is Taruneshwar. Good morning. Huh.
Say no to plastic.
And Sukri.
Yeah, next to Taruneshwar.
Stop plastic bag. Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Non-disposable.
Non-disposable.
Plastic contribute
Plastic contribute
lot of
water
land
and
and water pollution.
water.
Water pollution. Plastic is plastic. Paper is paper. I request you to please use paper bag. Paper bag and cloth bag for save our earth.
Thank you, Taruneshwar. Please don't use plastic. That's the thing Taruneshwar spoke about. Should not use plastic bags, plastic water bottles and all. Use paper bags, cloth bags whenever you go to shop. Okay? Plastics are not good for our earth. Okay? So next is thank you, Taruneshwar. Well done. Clap hands for Taruneshwar. Yeah, very good, Taruneshwar. Next is Sukriv Gautam. Yes, Sukriv.
Hi. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. My name is Singapore.
Oh,
Sukriva. Simba.
Come in the next.
I am living in forest. I am wild animal. I think of it.
அந்த பாட்டு பாடுங்க.
வேணாம்.
ஏன் பாட்டு பாடுங்க?
பாட்டு வேணாம். பாட்டு வேணாம்.
Thank you, Silvi.
You won't sing song, Achacho. Why, Taruneshwar?
Not singing.
Say sorry, Sukriv. Why you will not sing song? Wear that Simba face. Let me see.
It is like this only, ma'am. Like
Oh, nice. Wow, very nice. Good, Simba Lion, very nice. Okay, thank you so much, Sukhdev Gautam. Clap hands for Sukhdev, children. Very nice, and thank you. Okay,
Ma'am,
next is
Vihan is
Varsh.
Ma'am, Vihan is
Yes,
also wanted to talk, ma'am.
about
Lion, ma'am.
lion. Do you have anything? Any prop? Any
He,
toy?
yes, ma'am. He has.
Okay, okay, fine. Last, okay, after Varsha, okay? Varsha. Varsha is going to talk about newspaper. Yeah, loudly, ma Varsha.
Hi everyone, I am Vasya. Do you know who I am? Yes, I am newspaper. Newspaper, north, east, west, south. I am available all languages. I am collection of information or direction of world. I have developed reading habit. Puzzle, mind mind exercise. Mobile phone and internet. No for cooking. No forget reading newspaper. Engage, engage, vocabulary, vocabulary grammar.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you so much, Varsha. Okay, children, clap hands for Varsha. Look at her costume. It's full of newspaper. Yes, very beautiful costume. Thank you, Varsha's mom, for your effort. Yes, very good, Varsha. Thank you so much. Okay, next is Vihan. Finally, Vihan.
Vihan, start.
Hmm.
Say hi, friends. Start பண்ணு. Sound பேசு.
Hmm.
Sound பேசு. This is a lion, ma'am. He has.
Okay.
Okay. Start. பேசு. Sound பேசு. நல்ல சவுண்டா. Sound
Louder, ma. Louder.
Sound. Louder பேசு. Hi,
Say
friends.
hi, friends. I'm going to talk about lion.
Hi friends,
Sound.
Lion. Lion is king of forest. It is a cat family. It is a
They live in.
in woods. Lion is water, mountain, animal.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, I appreciate for your attitude because you also wanted to participate in this. So thank you so much, Vihan and Vihan's mom, for this. A big round of applause for everyone, children. Clap hands for yourself, children. Louder, louder. Yes, you all participated very well, and I am very happy that you are all able to speak at least five sentences regarding the costume or the prop that you were talking about. Okay, so very good, children. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. Well done. Okay, and that's it for today. We'll close our session since you all have dressed up. I don't want you to do any worksheets today. Okay, remove your dress, change it to your normal usual dress, and take some rest. Thank you, children, once again. Thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Yes, bye, everyone.